Hello to all watching us today. My name is Uroš Gantar and I'm project manager in MSORA. My activities involve management of R&D projects and initiating sustainability practices in our production. MSORA is a Slovenian company that develops and produces wooden and wood aluminum windows. Our strategy is to offer top quality window products and to do it in a sustainable way. We constantly develop and digitalize our production processes. Last but not least, we also show commitment to support employees' professional advancement and personal growth. MSORA today is most known for its quality, innovation, and flexibility in relations to our customers and architects. Our team is gladly accepting new challenges. Therefore, our portfolio includes both modern and more traditional architectural projects. We are blessed to use wood as a main component in windows. Transparency of glass is emphasized with natural-looking surface, pleasant smell, and warm touch of wood. Our decisions are based on measurable data in combinations with locally acquired wood and preserved filling for handcrafting. Projects with holistic approach, like the one showcased here, can be carried out. Of course, today we are not gathered just to listen our boasting about windows. Today's main theme is the use of recovered wood in windows. Recovered wood is simply wood with a past life, used for a new purpose. Let us go through main reasons why someone would choose recovered wood in products. The first one are aesthetics. The wood is aged and often weathered. It has a desirably unique look that's hard to find in new materials. Recovered wood, with its unique properties, wakes positive feelings inside us. The second reason to choose recovered wood is because it has sufficient mechanical properties. This feature is especially important in windows with large dimensions. Elastic modulus of healthy recovered wood is in the range of virgin wood. Its hardness can be even larger. With using recovered wood, we decrease demand for newly sourced wood, which helps curb deforestation. It also reduces landfill waste and a need to incinerate recovered wood, which could otherwise become product with high added value. With all presented reasons in mind, we developed a 3-use window with increased dimensions using recovered wood. 3-use window was successfully presented at 3W Factor competition inside Wood Circus project. Good practices across Europe in wood circular economy were being gathered, and we were amongst winners. Let's list 3-use window, 3 main components. First one is surely the use of recovered wood. It is collected from all demolished objects and all disassembled windows. In MSORA, wood is then cleaned, cut, glued into beams, and finally shaped into window profiles by milling. With patented reinforcing system, we are able to produce wooden windows with exceptional height. Here you can see MSORA sliding door with total height of 4.5 meters. We can go even further and reach spans up to 7 meters. Large and slender windows optimize light transmission into built objects. The third component is making the window smart. IoT sensors are not only used for wood condition monitoring, but they also elongate service life of wooden windows with its machine learning ability. Windows can be motorized, and we are aiming to integrate them into smart homes, enhancing comfort and usability. Life cycle costing and life cycle analysis were performed for our 3-use window. Regarding LCC, main factors contributing to the total cost are glass as a material and labor. In case of recovered wood, cost for wood is lower, but cost for labor is higher because more wood processing is involved. On the other hand, in case of virgin wood, cost for wood is higher and cost for labor lower because less wood processing is involved. Regarding LCA analysis, we see that using recovered wood reduces negative environmental impact. In case of large windows with 3 glass panes of 8 mm thickness, up to 2.6% positive impact can be gained using recovered wood. However, larger quantities of glass blinds the positive impact of using recovered wood. The positive impact is higher in case of smaller glass quantity. The glass, as we can see, contributes up to 60% of environmental impact. Glass is followed by aluminum, PVC in thermostat profile, steel, and pyramid. We therefore performed sensitivity analysis with reduction of glass quantity in window. It can be seen that removal of one glass pane causes 15% reduction in environmental impact. Positive impact of recovered wood usage is evident beyond LCA analysis. It reduces pressure for deforestation, connected with economic development of wood sector, and good practices also encourage decision makers to promote seeing existing wooden buildings as a material bank for the future. What are the quantities of recovered wood to be at hand? We compare different data for year 2018. In MSORA, 75 cubic meter of recovered wood were available. In Slovenia, 94,000 cubic meter. And in 28 total European countries, 56 million cubic meter of recovered wood were available. Of course, not all of available wood is suitable for use in window products, but quantities are still unimaginably large. A lot can be gained using recovered wood. However, it has challenges. Cracks and insect holes reduce the total quantity of suitable recovered wood. Care has to be taken to remove all protective coatings and steel nails inside wood. Unremoved nails can be especially harmful for machinery because they damage blades in cutting and milling machines. Currently, the total production cost of recovered wood windows is higher compared to virgin wood. Main reasons are all the additional processes recovered wood demands. To surpass all challenges using recovered wood, we used modified and innovative approaches. Aluminum strips present suitable weathering protection on the outside. Reinforcement of wooden profile provides stiffness and stability of windows. In case of wooden windows with no aluminum coverings, we use virgin wood for outer lamella as it ensures weathering protection. In MSORA, we are also developing design for disassembly of windows. Besides simplifying installation, it will also allow easier recycling and reuse of all window components in the future. In society, economy, we must all do our part. Many innovations are waiting to see daylight. Many more will have to be developed to create a balanced and working circular economy. Let's mention just one example of innovation. Besides Slovenian project Wolf, wood mineralization process was developed, which includes nature-friendly materials. It elongates wood service life and covers it with unique gray patina, which fits well with recovered wood patina. Before I finish my presentation, let's make a reflection of why we do what we do, why we chose recovered wood in MSORA. Firstly, we chose it because we are able to make new value-added wooden products, which our customers like and love. Secondly, with doing that, we are raising a much-needed awareness about the importance of preserving cultural heritage objects. With our example, we also promote using elements of decaying structures in new products instead of typically use it for incineration. And thirdly, we are joining two unconventional phenomena. On one side, we have tradition. Recovered wood was often treated with traditional carpentry methods. Wood has rustic, rough surface covered with patina. On the other side, we have innovation. We use modern numerical approaches to model window performance. Our reinforcement system allows us to produce windows with increased dimensions and transmit more light into our homes. Wireless sensor technology not only monitors wood, but extends its service life. Thank you all for your attention. I encourage you all to ask further questions, which I will gladly answer. Have all a great day.